Alright guys, so today we're doing a really simple beetroot tart. It's all done in the one pan. It's made with organic beetroots, some feta cheese crumbled on top, some balsamic vinegar glaze. It's really easy. Ready? Let's get into it. Alright, so my beetroot tart's pretty easy. It's all done in the one pan. I just got a few ingredients here. I've got half a brown onion here. I've got some baby beetroots that are already cooked. You can buy them already cooked now. These are the organic ones. I got some garam masala powder, you can buy that in the spice section. I got some crumbled feta cheese, some avocado oil spray, some salt and cracked pepper, and I also got some Italian glaze. That's just like a balsamic glaze that's reduced down. You can buy that in the aisles now. Right, so to start off, we just slice up the brown onion just in slices like this. Alright, so the baby beets, we just want to quarter them. You just cut it in half and then just in quarters like that. Alright, so I just got a small oven-proof pan on heat, just spray it with some avocado oil. Just going to throw in our onion. I'm going to cook this onion off until it's tender. It doesn't have to be fully cooked through and caramelised, but you don't want it raw. It's going to cook longer in the oven, so with the beetroot it's going to caramelise up nice with that beetroot that's in there and the spice that we've got. I just want to season it with a little bit of sea salt, some cracked pepper, cook these for about a minute and a half and then we'll add our beetroot. Alright, so about this time we'll add our beetroot in there. And mixed in there with the onion. Alright, so where our beetroot and onions over there cooking, I've got a plate here. I'm using this circle here because it's just bigger than my pan. You want the circle to be just bigger than your pan, so just try and find something that's just a little bit bigger. That's what I use to make the cutout. So I can cut it out with my knife. So I just want to follow that line around. Alright, so our beetroot and onions cooked off there. I got my oven preheating over there to 180 degrees. I just want to put this over our pot. And we want to push this in. Just keep pushing around the edges till it goes all the way down. You want to do that all the way around. Push it down as hard as you can. Try to make sure there's no air bubbles in there. When it's packed down nice and tight, you just want to spray it with some avocado oil. Alright, so we're going to pop this into a 180 degree oven About 15 to 20 minutes and it'll be done. When it's nice and golden, we'll take it out, flip it over, and we'll put our other stuff on it. Alright, so as you can see, it's nice and golden brown now. Nice and golden brown on top. So all we want to do, we want to get our plate, tip it out onto our plate like that. Alright, so once it's on the plate, all you want to do is get our garam masala. Just give it a little sprinkle. You don't want too much on there. Just want just a tiny sprinkle. Just give it that nice flavour. We want to get our crumbled feta. Put that all over the top. That's why it's important not to add too much salt, because this feta can be quite salty, depending on which one you get. I like to get the Greek one. The Greek one's quite salty. Good amount of that feta on top. The last thing that we want to do, we're going to get our balsamic reduction. We just want to drizzle that all over the top. Nice drizzle. There we are, guys, that's my beetroot and feta tart. How easy was that? Give that one a go. Remember, don't cook the same stuff all the time. Cook different, switch it up. Come cook with me, come cook fun. Let's make Australia cook again. And remember, if you like my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe down the bottom. I really appreciate you watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.